So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you want to know something I do every morning when I wake up and every night before I go to bed? Yeah, I brush my teeth. Whoa! It's very important to keep your teeth nice and clean. And today, you and I are gonna draw a tube of toothpaste. All right, to do that, I'm gonna use green because it's gonna be mint toothpaste. All right, so I'm gonna draw a straight line down here, straight line right there, straight line up there, and watch this. I'm gonna kind of do an arched line right over there. And then I'm gonna continue that to make it an oval. And then I'll make another line like that, and then some vertical lines. Yeah, and that's how you screw off the top. And down here, we'll make that a very wide rectangle, and some vertical lines right there. Wow! And when you brush your teeth, you make your teeth nice and happy. So I'll draw a tooth right here. Whoa, very happy tooth. Thank you so much for brushing my teeth. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time to get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Salad. Oh, thanks, Tabs. Didn't know this lettuce was stuck in my teeth. I guess a toothbrush would help. I wonder, how do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? Great idea! We can go meet a toothbrush in a mouth. I'm gonna need wings.
Wings confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. It's time to shrink down and go into a mouth. Shrinking down! We're inside a mouth. You're right, Tabs. We need a way to clean these teeth.
Would a brush help? Hi, I'm Bill Brushy. And you are?
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Tabs. I want to find out how to use a toothbrush to clean teeth.
Well, you're asking the right brush. Hop on, and I'll show you the best way to clean your teeth.
All right. Hey, Bill Brushy, is that toothpaste on your brush part?
Yes, sir. It helps keep teeth healthy and food-free. Okay, now here's how to brush your teeth. Let's go to the front first. So, small circles on every tooth.
Whoa!
Okay, that's the front done. Let's go to the back now.
We turned, we flipped.
Little circles round and round.
All right, let's make some more. Circles, circles, circles.
These teeth are the molars. I call them the chew crew, since they do most of the work.
I know, Tabs. Toothbrushing is a wild ride. Wow! I think I have the answer to my question. How do you use a toothbrush to clean your teeth? It cleans by brushing the front, back, and in between of all teeth in little circle motions. And that pushes all the food out from between the teeth and makes them nice and clean. Upload answer, Tabs.
Thanks for your help, Blippi and Tabs. Remember to brush twice a day for 2 minutes each time for super sparkling teeth.
We will. Thanks for letting us ride along, Brushy. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!